Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and today I present to you another Lego creation. Today's build is a custom build, so I don't actually have a name for it, but it is a Bullpup. Essentially what a Bullpup is the magazine, and so the magazine is usually at the back if it's a Bullpup. So if it's a normal gun, the magazine should normally be in the front somewhere over here, but because it's a Bullpup, it's the back. One of the advantages is that the gun has the same length as a normal gun, but the barrel is longer. So normally if your magazine is over here, you have like this amount of barrel length, but if your magazine is back here, you have this amount of barrel length, but it's essentially the same length as a normal gun, so it can save more space and have more range and accuracy. But there are some ergonomics that people don't like about the Bullpup. I'm not really sure. I don't actually know a lot about the Bullpup, but yeah, I tried to make this at least accurate, because most of the custom Bullpup builds I see, they essentially don't have space for the bolt to go. At least this is at least some space for the bolt to go. So yeah, other than that, we'll just move on to the video. So I guess we'll start with the magazine. So here's the magazine. Pretty simple design. I used the bricks with the side studs to build this. Can't really take it off, it's kind of tight, so gonna have to take my word on that. So here's the bullet on top. As you can see, the magazine is 3 studs wide. So this is what I'm gonna do from this video onward. Most of my builds that take magazines like that will take magazines that are 3 studs wide, because well, I tried this new design and I'm actually pretty fond of it. I like it a lot, so I guess I'm gonna do that from now on. So probably most of the guns would be 5 studs wide. And as you can see, there are a few stud transitions, but I'll talk about that later. Here's the magazine release, and here's one of the advantages that the 5 stud building. One of the advantages building in 5 studs is you can actually hide the rubber band inside. If you can see this orange piece here, hopefully you can see that. It basically goes in here, so it's just hidden inside the gun, because usually I have the rubber band out here, but as you can see, you can't really see it without me pointing out. So yeah, next we'll just move on to the back. We'll just talk about the minor features first. Here's the butt plate. It's 6 studs wide. Okay, so now we're talking about the width of the gun. So this is 6 studs wide over here, and this entire part at the back and the top is 5 studs, and the bottom and the front is 4 studs. I used the technique pieces to do that, and I really don't want to take it apart to show you guys, so I'm really sorry. But if you guys wanna see how I built it like that, I guess you can comment if you want to see how I built it from 4 studs to 5 studs. I'm just gonna show you guys the basics if you guys want to. So next off, we have a thumb hole stock. Nothing much, you can just stick your thumb in there. So next off, we have a trigger. The trigger is different from most of my builds. This time I have a spring hidden in the grip, and you can push it back and it makes a clicking sound, and it comes back by itself. It returns by itself like that. So yeah, now I guess we'll take a look at the bolt. The bolt. Has nothing really special about it, but it's the MP5 style bolt. So you can just do that like a normal bolt. If you pull and push up, it'll lock in place, and if you push it down, it'll, you know, do what bolts do, just fly forward and chamber a bullet. Alright, so now I guess we'll move on to the top. Here's a carry handle. The carry handle includes iron sights. I'll show you that in a moment. The barrel is built with the cylinder pieces, so nothing really special about that. Yeah, now we're gonna move on to the other side. The other side is pretty much identical, but some changes. As you can see a bolt over here, but here's the dust cover and the ejection port. I have something cool to show you about the ejection port. So now I'm just gonna shove a magazine in there. Not yet. We're not gonna put the magazine in yet. Alright, so as you can see, just like any bolt, when I pull it back, it moves. So yeah. Alright, now it's in the locked position. As you can see, it's in the locked position. Going to put a magazine in. So here's the bullet on top. Magazine in, and if you guys can see clearly, there is a bullet inside. I'll take it out and you guys can't see it anymore. So you see, the magazine is out. No bullet inside. Put the magazine in, and you see, here's the bullet. So yeah, that's pretty much about it. So the dust cover functions like any other one, just foldable. So yeah, that's about it for the magazine and the shell ejection port thingy. So now I'm gonna show you the iron sights. Give me a moment. Alright, so now here's the gun in the first person view. Also the grip actually has a pretty strong connection, so I can hold it one-handed. As you can see, here's my other hand. I'm holding this one-handed. So now I'm gonna show you the iron sights. Hopefully, yeah. Okay, so yeah, it's a pretty basic one. I basically use two of these parts. Where is it? Yeah, I use two of these parts to make the iron sights. One in this direction and one is in this direction. So yeah. Okay, so now we are reaching the end of the video. I would like to use this time to address some of the things that are a bit more boring, but if you stick around, you know, you can listen if you want to. You might notice that there's a change in background because my filming room is being used, and for personal reasons I would not like to tell you guys why, but just keep in mind that I can't use my filming room for, I guess, about one more week. I don't really feel comfortable telling you guys why, but just know that I can't use it. Alright, next off, I guess this is moving on from bad news to good news. One of my videos already hit 5,000 views, and I would like to thank you guys for that. It's the pretty old video actually. It's the double barrel shotgun. I guess you guys like double barrel shotguns a lot. I understand because they are cool. 5,000 views, that's a lot. Well, for me, for a small channel like me. And we're already at 70 subscribers. So yeah, if we hit 100, I'll be making something special. So yeah, if you guys want to see that special thing, better get more subscribers for me. If you want, of course. Not forcing you guys. I just do this for fun, but you know, it's fun to see my views go up. It's fun to see my subscriber count go up. I enjoy reading your guys' comments. sometimes you can give like constructive criticism, like what I can improve and stuff like that. So yeah, thank you guys a lot. Yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching. Feel free to like and subscribe and whatnot if you want to, and goodbye. See you next time.